So I'm hoping this works. I got the JB-weld HighHeat putty. So I chopped off a little piece about that big. Grab some gloves and mix it up until it's all one color gray. And I lost my coin the other day, so I had to patch my hole in my exhaust, but I think it looks a lot better now. I have a little magnet on top of it just to hold it down, but yeah, there's Lincoln. Good JB-weld. It's starting to harden up like really fast. It's only been about an hour. I'll put my little thing back on there just because I can. Yeah, so far so good. Should withstand, I don't know, 500 degrees. So we'll see how that goes. Follow for more updates.